going on? Welcome to the channel. This is my first video on this channel. We are heading to Hanningfield Reservoir, where a kayak competition is obviously happening, as you know by the title. I have no idea what the title is going to be, so I don't know. The card is one pike, one perch, one trout. I have my kayak at the back of my car. It is on the trailer currently. I am running the native watercraft Titan X 12.5. I have around 8 rods with me, so I'm ready for it. I have pre-fished this reservoir 2 weeks ago and it didn't go too well, but it gave me an idea on what to expect. I know it's very shallow there, so I'm going to be using jerk baits, twitch baits, glide baits, very light ones, slow sinking baits essentially. I am prepared, so thank God I did go 2 weeks ago to pre-fish. But at the end of the day, we're there to have fun, we're there to have a good time. So I'm not going to stress too much about it, even though I'll probably will. But we'll see. Anyway, I don't know when I'm going to start recording again, probably next day. So I will see you most likely on the water. Ciao.
Morning. The man.
I was just about to say it. There was a fella here last week. No, but we were having a conversation about the pike fishing here.
Yeah.
People, when you're on a retrieve, I think you need to go slower and faster.
That's my plan today, I can't lie.
Because
Morning, guys.
They don't need to attack. There's that much shit in there for them to eat. I think I would just go slowly. Yeah. Once he sees it, yeah. Instead of speeding up, just slow down.
Okay. So you can just pin them out. Angle it and then just change them when you get into the water.
All right, guys, good morning. Thank you for coming today. I think you're all excited like I am, fishing a new venue. I want to thank Charlie for helping us sort this out. He was instrumental in getting this happening. There's no trolling, so don't troll at all. No bait allowed. It's artificial only. I think there's no minimum sizes. 9 till 5 today.
Yeah, finish fishing at 5, but you can make your way back after. So
yeah, then we'll have a barbecue afterwards today. We're thinking of having it on the other side of that lodge. So there'll be burgers and hot dogs and that sort of stuff. Just bring your own drinks. All right, guys, have a good day.
Have a proper one.
How you feeling, Ruff?
Nervous, mate.
Okay. Got my net, got my pliers, got my monster ready. want to go to a spot that was pre-fishing. At the moment I'm casting the Max STX Abu Garcia rod. This is my pike rod. So dirty. And yeah, hopefully I got, I've picked the right lure, but we'll see. Let's just get casting, enough of the talking. Let's focus in, lock in, catch some fish, and close this card. I think so. Nothing else in there. Nice. One attempt only. Cheji. Holy. I beg you don't come off. Came off. Fuck, man. Shit.
After I have lost that pike, there was no action for the whole day. I kept on trying to get pike as it was very difficult, and in hopes that obviously I would get one. Unfortunately, I didn't. At the very end of the day, I decided to go for some trout. Even without the live scope, I was just casting away, just trying to enjoy some fishing until this happened.
W końcu, Boże. Zerwał mnie, ale grubas. Huh? Yeah. He just snapped me. Jesus. Holy. Oh. Bro, just... Yeah.
So that was day one wrapped up. The next day we woke up bright and early. It was an hour earlier that we started. We got briefed again, jumped on a boat and started fishing. I changed my game plan a bit, decided to go for some trout just to hit some points on the scorecard and hopefully place somewhere reasonable.
Oh my Lord. I need to save this right now. Fucking finally. At this point right here, I have realized that I did not have a fishing measuring board with me. I have no idea how I did that, but I left it at home. I came to a competition without a measuring board. From then onwards, I had to get my friend's fishing board and then obviously measure my fish, take a picture, so on. And I did that for the rest of the day. But as you can see, this was a total nightmare from the beginning to this point exact. But after that, I was just like, you know what, why am I getting annoyed? Whatever, I laughed it off.
I don't have my measuring board.
Following this incident, I have caught a big brown trout. It was around 54 centimeters. Here's a picture of it right here. And on the screen, you are now looking up if I can save a loop recording over 5 minutes. That was the timer I've set. I couldn't save the video, unfortunately, so that's why I don't have the clip. But as you can see, I caught it on the picture. We've uploaded it onto the app. It didn't get approved because the friend that was helping me out covered his head and the fish was invisible totally. So that fish got denied. Another hiccup, but you know what? We move on and we kept on fishing and we stayed composed.
Siedzi!
Wypadł mi. Surprise, surprise. I lost the fish I caught. I didn't get to take a picture and it fell off my board. It wasn't my board. I wasn't used to it. It was just, I was in a moment, tried to take a picture and it fell out. After that, again, I stayed composed, even though whatever happened for the past 2 days was absolutely nuts. But at this point, I stopped caring and I just kept on fishing.
Siedzi!
Ta.
Fajny!
Jesus. What a take. Come on.
Siedzi! Siedzi!
Słucham? No. And that was that. I tried to go for some perch after I caught that last trout. Didn't manage to catch any, although it would have helped me massively in terms of placement. I think I would have been 8th if I caught a 15 centimeter perch. So I just couldn't find one, unfortunately, and just left it there. My final placement was 15th. Definitely was hoping for something better. However, after all that has happened, I think 15th is acceptable. So generally proud of myself for composing myself, staying calm and catching fish, although it was still very difficult. And we just have to hope for a better result next time. And just like that, comp is done. Very strange 2-day comp, very strange. The first day was a nightmare, and then I managed to actually clutch it back a bit on Sunday, which is today. But the thoughts, it was haunting me at the moment, because if I took that pike out and I just tried a little harder for the perch, I could have actually had top 3, because no one actually took a pike out. So it made me realize how valuable it was, and especially that first trout as well that ripped me off. Just a lot of unfortunate events on the first day, but we managed to catch a bit, and a brown trout as well, which I didn't record. Finished the day strong. I don't even know what position I was. The scorecards are not even released yet, but I would hope for top 15. And yeah, that was that. Next week we're going Langros, which is obviously a bigger venue. Better luck next time. I just hope Hanningfield is going to be an open venue, because they don't do kayaks now. Just like you can't go anytime. It was only comp, so I just hope they open up so I can practice there a bit more. But yeah, that's that. I will see you lot in the next video, hopefully. Till then.